from Car Mods Australia. Again, yeah, I've been looking after a similar time frame. Pretty much a standard kind of chassis, nothing too crazy. New rear wing, new front splitters and canards and stuff. But similar spec motor, not as extreme as what this one is. This has got a G35 84 turbo. We had made like 36 pounds, it was like 580 kilowatts. Never used it because the car is fast enough not even getting there. 2.5 litre, this has got a PPG sequential paddle shift, all Motec again. Again, both cars, all PWR cooling packages.
I'm guessing Tarzan's done a few laps in this car?
Yes, in 2019, yeah, 2019, yeah, Tarzan, set it up and had a few laps in Sydney, and
yeah, I mean, what did he think of an Aussie-built WRX, and what was his feedback to you?
There was a little bit of lost in translation on that one. His English wasn't the best, but no, he was pretty impressed with the power delivery and the setup of the car. They like their chassis very rigid, like really heavy shocks, heavy sway bars, so a lot different to a lot of what we do. So that was a bit of it was interesting to see the different style.
Yeah. And how was his mechanical sympathy? He's a pretty wild driver. He's
on the edge, let's put it that way. Yeah.